Hello, and welcome to yet another action-packed episode of Top Koshy. Today we are outside of our studio filming a special segment, Physics and Driving. We have each carefully selected a car that we feel properly demonstrates each topic that will be discussed in today's video. And now, the cars. The car chosen to demonstrate friction is a stock 1995-1996 5-speed manual Nissan S14 240SX. The car weighs in at 2.7 thousand pounds and has an unofficial 0 to 60 time from anywhere between 6.2 to 7.8 seconds. The car is also rear-wheel drive, making it a beast when it comes to drifting.
To demonstrate acceleration, I've chosen my 2007 M Edition BMW X3. It features 450 horsepower from its inline-six engine, a 0 to 60 time of only 6.7 seconds, with mods such as lowering springs, upgraded brakes, and a completely remapped ECU.
I got the young 91 Corolla base, fresh out of Japan, which is barely 70 horsepower. My car goes from 0 to 60 in about 45 seconds. But to be honest, I never got over 40. It features stock rims, stock engine, well actually stock everything. I peel some of the paint away for weight reduction. JDM bro, race me!
Well, Andy, you definitely picked a pretty car. Lahiru, tell us a little bit about acceleration.
Acceleration, one of the most basic topics of physics. Quite simply, it is velocity over time. We can find acceleration by using the formula v equals v naught plus at. V is the velocity, v naught is our initial velocity, a is acceleration, and t is time. In this simple course we've set up, I will start from a speed of 0 and accelerate as fast as I can for 5 seconds. Andy in the back will be timing us, and at 5 seconds he will record how fast I was going. Quite simply, we can plug it into the equation. A will be our unknown, and we can back solve using algebra to find out the acceleration of the car.
What's up guys? You guys ever wonder the physics behind turning? Well, I'm here to explain it. Centripetal acceleration is a circular motion of an object. But in this episode, it's a car. As you turn a car, speed is the same, but acceleration is always changing because the direction of your car is always changing. To exemplify this concept, I will be turning on a freeway exit at extremely fast speeds. Hey, also, check out my mixtape on SoundCloud. Young Noodle, what's up? Whoa, did you see my VTEC kick in? I was going at about 20 miles per hour. Then I saw my check engine light. Come on. But hey, we're here for the important stuff, right? The science stuff. Centripetal acceleration equals v squared over r, where v squared equals velocity squared and r equals the radius. And to find the radius, we use the most highly scientific methods we had. Oh, hi there. You know there's some very important things to remember when driving? Velocity is tangent to the circle in which you are driving, and acceleration is towards the center of the circle. But finally, the only thing that prevents you from sliding off the road is friction. And now to Josh.
When it comes to driving, There is only one force that slows you down, and that is friction. Friction is the force resisting the relative motion on a solid surface. And in this episode, the road is a surface of friction. Today we are trying to find the maximum and minimum amount of acceleration to move. To find that out, we'll be utilizing Newton's second law, F equals ma, where F is force, m is mass, and a is acceleration. To find the amount of force to overcome the friction of the road, we will be using Newton's second law of motion. We first found the normal force by multiplying the weight of the car and the constant of gravity, which is 2,700 pounds times 9.8 meters per second. This gives us 26,460 newtons. After finding the normal force, we will find the force of static friction by multiplying the normal force with the coefficient of static friction from the road, which is 0.7 times 26,460 newtons, which equals 18,522 newtons. And thus the force of static friction we calculated is the amount of force needed to overcome the friction of the ground with my car. Now you may be wondering, what may happen if you don't have enough friction between your tires and the road? Well, let's find out.
Well, Josh, that was officially the worst burnout I've ever seen.
Well, it beats Andy's slow driving.
Josh, my basic was about to kick in. I was going almost 20 miles per hour. You just don't understand me, alright, Josh? Just shut up.
Well, anyways, we're out here in this park doing some business transactions. You know, production's expensive now. What, Andy?
Cops!
You gonna do? Yeah. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Don't forget to check out my mixtape, The Limit as I Approach Infinity. Remember guys, don't drink and drive. Drink and drive.